Hey third grade, this is Miss Liberty with your reading activity directions for today, Monday, September 21st. When you log into Seesaw today, you are going to see an activity that is labeled as What Do Good Listeners Do or Say? The first link is where you can watch today's lesson. You can watch that if you missed our Zoom lesson this morning or if you would like a refresher. The second link will be how to complete today's activity. You're going to click on Add. Then drag the phrases on the bottom to see what good listeners should do or say or should not do or say. Check over your work and then click the green check to turn in. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So you click on Add and you're going to see a slide that looks like this. For reading today, there is only one slide. So you are going to make sure you are on the blue hand on the bottom. And the main question says, what do good listeners do and say? So on the left side in green is what they should do or say. And on the right side in red is what good listeners should not do or say. So your directions are to drag the phrases from the bottom to the correct side. So for example, would a good listener say, I agree with you because? Well, I think so because that helps the reader and speaker know that their listener is really focused and paying attention to what they're saying, and they're helping the conversation continue. So I would drag that under good listeners should do or say. Now let me take a look at some of these other ones. How about playing basketball? Now I love playing basketball. But if someone is speaking to me about a story that they've read or a book that they've read, and I leave the conversation to go play basketball, I'm not sure that that's the best time. So I'm going to slide that under what good listeners should not do. Let's take a look at the others that we have to choose from. How about asking questions? Well, to me, that sounds like the listener is really interested and is paying attention to the conversation. So I would drag that over to ask questions and put it with what good listeners should do or say. And let's take a look at another one. How about look away from the speaker? So if you're talking to someone and they're looking away from you, maybe looking outside or looking around the classroom, but not looking at you, I'm not sure that that's what a good listener would do because to me, I don't think that they're really paying attention. So I would put look away from the speaker on what good listeners should not do or say. So when you get ready to complete your activity today, you are going to finish sorting the rest of these phrases into what they should do or say or should not do or say. And then click the green check on the top right when you are finished. And it will be added to your journal. Let us know if you have any questions.